Welcome to the DJI Neo tutorial video. This video will show you how to perform smart snaps using palm control. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Switching modes. Power on DJI Neo. Press the mode button once on the top of the body to switch to follow, Drone, Circle, Rocket, Spotlight, and Custom. DJI Neo can connect to the mobile app via Wi-Fi to select Custom as Direction Track, Helix, or Boomerang. You can also adjust the parameters for each mode in the app accordingly before flight. Press the mode button to switch to your desired mode. Then press and hold to perform palm takeoff. DJI Neo will announce the selected mode and parameters via voice, and then take off automatically. Follow. During follow, DJI Neo flies following you while recording automatically. The default follow distance is medium, or about 3 meters, and the default follow height is flat, meaning DJI Neo is flying at shoulder level. Drone. During drone, DJI Neo will keep the camera facing your original position, record a video while flying backward, and then record another video while flying forward. Circle. During circle, DJI Neo will keep the camera facing you, fly backward to the preset distance, and then begin circling the subject once while recording automatically. Rocket. During Rocket, DJI Neo will keep the camera facing your original position, record a video while ascending, and then record another video while descending. Spotlight. During Spotlight, DJI Neo will hover after takeoff and record a video with the camera facing the subject. Direction Track. During Direction Track, DJI Neo will confirm your movement after takeoff. When you are moving towards DJI Neo, it will fly backward, following you from the front while recording automatically. To exit Direction Track, face DJI Neo and stay still. DJI Neo will fly back close to you. You can extend your arm and place the palm under and wait for DJI Neo to land. Helix. During Helix, DJI Neo will keep the camera facing you, fly backward to a location 2 meters from the takeoff point, and descend while circling the subject once in a spiral curve while recording automatically. Boomerang. During Boomerang, DJI Neo will keep the camera facing the subject and fly along an oval path while recording automatically. Note that DJI Neo will ascend and then descend while flying along the oval path, and will reach the max height when flying to the farthest point away from the takeoff point. After that, DJI Neo will fly back near to the takeoff point and hover. You can walk near to it and perform a palm landing. Smart Snaps is also available using mobile app control, and parameters can be adjusted in the app. Please watch mobile app control video for more information.